Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to create logo design in Canva. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel. Before wasting your time, let us start the video. Open the new logo template. We will blacken the background color. By opening our text option, we will write the text of our logo. Click on Add a heading and write your logo name in the text box. We'll select our logo and change their font by text. Click in Font box and search ISOM-script. And adjust your logo. Select logo and color it. To write subheading below logo, click on subheading. And write your subheadings there. And adjust it. We'll change the font of Morals. Font name CMU Serif. We'll give spacing. Select the element and type in search, gold frame circle. And select this one. Rotate your circle according to logo. And your logo design is ready, but we'll also put mock-ups on it. To use mock-ups, we will search in Google for Photopea. Click on the first website and click on Template. Select your logo mock-up and click on it. And double-clicking here, we'll drop your logo design. And adjust it. And remove the extra layer. Clicking on the file, we'll click on Smart Object. And again, clicking on the file, we'll click Export as in PNG. If you like our video, so please subscribe, so that every new video of ours reaches you and you take advantage of it.